The great station race is today. Help me stay on schedule and pick up as many passengers as we can by laying track for the train. Let's see how many dinosaurs we can pick up before the time runs out. Choose the dinosaur train or the rocket train to begin laying track. If you want more time to build the track, choose the dinosaur train. If you want to go faster, choose the rocket train. All aboard! We have this much time to make it to the first station. This time, we're picking up a sauroposeidon. Sauroposeidon is a very large dinosaur, like many other sauropods. It's over 100 feet long and 50 feet tall. Ready, set, go! Keep your eye on my stopwatch. If we run out of time, the race ends. Draw your track to the boost power-up to place track faster. Watch out for trees and large rocks. Make your track go around them. This is a good place for a bridge. Watch out for that herd of sauropods. Let's build our track around them. Here's the train station. Connect your track to pick up our next passenger. The track is complete. Great job! Hooray! We arrived ahead of schedule. All aboard! We arrived early last time, and we are this far ahead of schedule. Now, we have this much time to make it to the next station. This time, we're picking up a Quetzalcoatlus. Quetzalcoatlus is one of the largest flying animals to have ever lived on Earth, with a wingspan of 36 feet. Ready, set, go! The track is complete. Great job! Hooray! We arrived ahead of schedule. All aboard! We arrived early last time, and we are this far ahead of schedule. Now, we have this much time to make it to the next station. This time, we're picking up a Deinonychus. Deinonychus is a small feathered dinosaur that eats meat and may have hunted for food in packs. Ready, set, go! The track is complete. Great job! Hooray! We arrived ahead of schedule.